Late one night, Emily was alone in her apartment, scrolling through her phone when she heard soft footsteps from the hallway. She froze. The sound was unmistakable, someone walking slowly just outside her door. Her heart raced. She crept to the peephole but saw nothing. The hallway was empty. Just the building settling, she whispered to herself, trying to calm down. Then, the footsteps resumed, louder this time, approaching her door. Emily's breath hitched. She backed away, her mind racing, who else could be there at this hour? Suddenly, the door handle rattled. She gasped, her fingers trembling as she reached for her phone to call 911, but before she could press a single number, the footsteps stopped. A silence filled the air. Then, in a voice that sent chills down her spine, a whisper came from the other side of the door. "Emily, I'm right behind you." She turned slowly, her stomach dropping as the shadow of a figure loomed over her. In the reflection of the darkened window,